If there were no rules and I could be outrageous for one day, I would go to every politician that ever robbed in our nation, and I will take that away and give it to the right hands. Beauty is someone who knows that she isn't perfect. I believe kasi na may mga birong magaganda and yung mundo nagbibilog siya dahil sa mga biro. Kasi what is the world without laughs? Pero I think yung hindi pwedeng mabiro is yung kung ano yung mga nararamdaman ng mga tao.
Yung parents, gusto lang nila, I think, yung best for us. So maybe if nandun na tayo sa medyo wrong path, iko-correct nila tayo. So what us kids need to do is that we need to earn the trust and confidence of our parents na kaya natin yung path na tinetake natin and that we're going to be successful in it.
At the end of the day, may isip mo na kung para talaga sa'yo, kayo.